Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation video. Nothing crazy here today, guys. It's just a little bit of a speed clean, giving you some instant cleaning motivation. I am starting in my bedroom. I'm going to change the sheets on my bed and then I'm going to jump into folding a bunch of laundry. From there, I'm going to move into the kitchen and then wrap up in my living room. Like I said, this is nothing crazy. It's not a deep clean. It's not even really that thorough of a cleaning. It's just kind of like a good once over to be productive and to make me feel better. So before I jump into it, I did want to let you guys know a couple things. You guys are probably going to laugh at me, but I just know that I'll get comments unless I talk about them right now. So just totally ignore my terrible sunburn that I have. I was so bad. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was outside for way too long and I have the most ridiculous sunburn on my legs that you guys will see a little bit later, like when I start cleaning the kitchen. It's just awful and it's just on like one leg. It's just the most ridiculous sunburn and I look so silly and I am totally regretting that decision that I made. And as well that you just saw, I am so sorry that my sheets were just terribly wrinkled. I know a lot of you guys get really upset when I have wrinkled sheets. Like, I get it. We all have that thing that we're watching cleaning videos and we're like, what are you doing? That's not how you do it. But I'm going to be honest, like, folding sheets right out of the dryer has not been a priority of mine. And like, if wrinkled sheets are the worst thing that happens to me in 2020, like I think I have got it made. But I do have to just address that because you guys would be surprised the amount of comments I get, and they're not always nice comments about my wrinkled sheets. Seriously, like YouTube never ceases to amaze me. So with all that being said, I'm going to let some music play. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are, get your houses ready for the weekend. We made it to Friday, baby. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll pop back at the end just to give you guys a little outro. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it.
Cause I don't wanna be the one holding you down. I'll never belong here wearing a crown. I gave you everything, but I know better now. I gotta let go. I just wish I knew how. There's no good reason to call it over. Just a feeling in my bones and I can't ignore it. Good on paper, ain't going nowhere. See that look inside your eyes and it's getting colder. I've been getting dizzy from all this back and forth. Tell me, am I losing my head or losing my heart? Cause I don't know what's worse. I just know that I don't wanna be the one holding you down. I'll never belong here wearing a crown. I gave you everything, but I know better now. I gotta let go. I just wish I knew how. Wish I knew. Wish I knew. I just wish I knew how. Let go. Diamonds in the sky, shades of pearl and green. Fire burning hearts in darkest places. There's never been a better time to feel alive. I found no way, we're past the lines where truth won't lie. Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me into the underground. Watch the world changing as the sun goes down. Follow me into the underground. Whoa, follow me into the underground. Follow me into the Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me into the underground. Watch the world changing as the sun goes down. Follow me into the underground. Follow me down, Follow me into the
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, 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 touch me.
Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate it, truly, like from the bottom of my heart. I am just going to finish vacuuming and that is going to be the end of the video. I am so sorry, but I totally forgot to film afters, but I hope you guys will understand. So thanks for watching guys. I can't wait to see you in my next video. I hope you guys have a great weekend and I will see you soon.